To set a stop loss on the Trojan Bot, start by opening your Telegram account on your computer or mobile device. Search for the Trojan Bot on the Solana network, which has a large user base, making it easily accessible. Once you've found it, initiate the bot and press continue to start using it. To set the stop loss, navigate to the menu and click on the Start option to activate the bot. From there, click on the Settings option, and then select Auto Sell to enable the stop loss feature. Next, click on New and ensure that the Limit option is enabled, indicated by a green color. If it's red, click on it to toggle it to green. With the limit set, proceed to add a new order by clicking on Add Orders. In the TP field, enter the desired stop loss percentage, such as -15%, -10%, or -20%. For example, to set a 15% stop loss, type in 15% and press Enter. This will update the stop loss value to 15%. To complete the setup, specify the amount to sell when the stop loss is triggered. Click on the Amount field and type in 100% to sell everything. Then press Enter. This configuration will trigger the stop loss when the price drops by 15%, selling all holdings to prevent further losses. The stop loss can be adjusted by clicking on the field and modifying the value. Once the setup is complete, click Back to return to the main menu, and the newly configured profile will be saved as the default.